Compliance and data privacy. Compliance and data privacy are crucial aspects of open banking regulations, as financial institutions and technology companies collaborate to provide customers with more accessible and personalized banking services. Ensuring data protection and regulatory compliance becomes paramount. In this part of the course, we will explore the key considerations, challenges, and best practices related to compliance and data privacy in the context of open banking regulations. Understanding compliance in open banking regulations. Compliance framework. Familiarize yourself with the regulatory frameworks governing open banking, such as PSD2, Payment Services, Directive 2, in Europe, and similar regulations in other jurisdictions. Compliance requirements. Identify the specific compliance requirements that financial institutions and technology providers need to adhere to, such as obtaining licenses, implementing strong authentication measures, and maintaining transaction records. Regulatory bodies. Recognize the role of regulatory bodies responsible for overseeing compliance, such as the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, or the European Banking Authority, EBA, at the EU level. Data privacy in open banking. Consent management. Understand the importance of obtaining customer consent before sharing their financial data with third-party providers. Explore consent management mechanisms and their integration with open banking platforms. Data protection. Explore the data protection principles underpinning open banking regulations, such as data minimization, purpose limitation, and confidentiality. Privacy by design. Highlight the significance of building data privacy measures into the design and development of open banking systems to protect user data from unauthorized access, breaches, or mishandling. Challenges in open banking compliance and data privacy. Technical challenges. Discuss technical challenges associated with securely transmitting sensitive data between multiple parties and ensuring encryption, secure APIs, and identity verification. Legal and regulatory challenges. Address legal and regulatory challenges such as jurisdictional differences, cross-border data transfers, and the complexity of complying with multiple regulations simultaneously. Ethical considerations. Touch upon ethical considerations related to balancing data sharing for innovation and convenience while maintaining customers' privacy rights. Best practices for compliance and data privacy in open banking. Robust security measures. Emphasize the importance of implementing strong security measures, such as authentication protocols, encryption, access controls, and regular vulnerability assessments. Transparent privacy policies. Encourage organizations to develop clear, concise, and easily accessible privacy policies that inform users about how their data is collected, used, and shared. Regular employee training. Recommend organizations to provide regular training to employees on compliance requirements, data privacy principles, and the handling of sensitive customer data. Compliance audits and monitoring mechanisms. Conducting audits. Discuss the importance of regular compliance audits to assess whether the organization's systems and processes align with regulatory requirements. Monitoring mechanisms. Highlight the need for continuous monitoring of systems, networks, and user activity to detect and prevent any potential security or compliance breaches. Incident response plan. Outline the necessity of having an incident response plan in place, which includes notifying customers and regulatory bodies promptly in case of a data breach or non-compliance. In conclusion, by understanding the intricacies of compliance and data privacy within the context of open banking regulations, organizations can successfully navigate the evolving landscape of financial services while safeguarding customer data and complying with regulatory requirements. Compliance should be an ongoing and iterative process, continuously adapting to emerging technologies and evolving regulatory frameworks.